Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, if you are getting SIM Toolkit error notifications again and again on your Android phone, especially if you are using an Airtel SIM, then don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix this problem step by step and also how to remove or disable SIM Toolkit notifications permanently. So let's get started. So firstly, understand what SIM Toolkit is. SIM Toolkit is a service provided by your SIM operator like Airtel. It allows your SIM card to show flash messages, offers, balance alerts, and other network services. But sometimes it starts showing annoying error notifications or pop-up messages again and again. So now let's fix it. So open the settings app. Now scroll down and click on the apps option. Now tap on see all apps and search for SIM Toolkit. Click on it. Now click on notifications. Now tap on the toggle against SIM Toolkit notifications to turn it off. And after this, if you still face the problem, then go back to the previous page. Now click on storage and cache. Tap on clear cache. And after this, restart your mobile phone once. And if you still want to completely remove SIM Toolkit, here is the important thing. SIM Toolkit is a system app, so you can't uninstall it normally, but you can disable it. So, yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.